Stick to the standard.
Stick to the standard.
Stick to the standard.
Stick to the standard.
So I would say as is.
Waterfall.
A combination.
Waterfall.
Both.
Agile.
Difficult question.
Testing is training and training is testing.
Testing.
Testing. Training.
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 Both.
Both. Both are very important.
It depends.
Go for the big bang.
Rollout.
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 Rollout with a big bang.
Full scope.
Full scope.
MVP.
Depends. MVP.
Full scope.
Realization phase.
Prepare and explore.
Realization.
Prepare and explore.
All of them.
Both.
Both are necessary, so
Prepare and explore.
Customer success. Realize. Run.
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 Both.
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 Run.
realize.
First on site and then remote.
On site.
On site.
Both.
Both.
IT-centric.
Process-centric.
Process-centric.
Process-centric. Process-centric. Very important.